In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the code of an element in Base44. Before we jump into the actual clicks, let's quickly set the scene. Make sure you're already logged into your Base44 account and that you have the project or app open where you want to make changes. Once you're in the Base44 editor, we'll switch into the visual editing view. Choose the element you want to adjust and then open up its underlying code. First, look for the option labeled Visual Edit in your Base44 editor. This is usually located near the top of the interface or in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. What this does is switch you from a more technical or list-based view into a design-oriented interface where you can see your page or app as it appears to users. This view makes it much easier to find and interact with specific elements, especially if you're more visually inclined. Once you're in Visual Edit mode, navigate to the part of the page that contains the element you want to modify. Move your mouse over the page and you'll notice that different sections or components highlight as you hover over them. Take a moment to hover slowly so you can be sure you're selecting the correct element. When you see the element you want to edit clearly outlined or highlighted, click on it to select it. After selecting the element, a small toolbar or panel associated with that element should appear, usually nearby or in a side panel of the editor. Among the options, look for an icon that represents code. This is often shown as a pair of angle brackets, like less than and greater than symbols, or something similar that clearly indicates code. Click on this code icon. Clicking this icon will open the code editor specifically for the element you selected. Here, you can view and modify the underlying code that controls the element structure, styling, or behavior, depending on how Base44 is set up. Make any adjustments you need carefully, whether that's tweaking HTML, editing a class name, or adjusting inline styles. When you're done, make sure to save or apply your changes in the code editor and then preview your page to confirm everything looks and functions as expected. And that's it. By entering Visual Edit mode, selecting your element, and